Hello and welcome to today's episode. I'm Yvette Farrugia and today we're going to chat about how to fill a piping bag with buttercream. Now this is just one technique that we like to use and it definitely helps reduce the mess. So firstly, place a large piece of cling wrap on your work surface, cut a small amount off your piping bag and place your tip inside, ensuring that the end pokes through entirely. Mix your buttercream with the spatula and place your buttercream down the center of the cling wrap, making one end narrower than the other. Wrap the buttercream with the cling wrap and roll it up firmly into a cone shape. Twist the ends of the cling wrap and cut off the narrower end. Open up the piping bag and place the buttercream inside, narrow end in first. Twist the open end of the bag and squeeze out any air bubbles until the buttercream flows out. Now we've used loyal piping bags and a loyal piping tip 1A in this bag. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.